Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can share my Myfxbook public link. So before starting, decide whether you want your account public or private. So by the way, this is useful to show performance to others or embed in bios. So first you will have to open your Myfxbook account page. So you should already have your account here ready. But if you don't have one yet, you have to make sure that you will have to add your account first. And then you will go to the settings for that account, by the way, and then under the profile or sharing, you will find options to make the account public or private. Then you will turn on public if you would want to share it, and then you will copy the public link shown in your account header or use the share button to get the URL. You can paste that into social media, email, or your profile. And if you would want custom embed widgets, my FX Books also provides widgets and embed code in the same area for websites. And again, if your screen looks different, you will look under account settings and then the sharing or the main account header for the share link. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, you will have to make sure that you do have your account um already created so that you will be able to do the steps that I've just mentioned. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.